everyone, I am super excited to share this video with you guys and to be looking at some of these fun leaf gels. I've been waiting for these for like almost 2 weeks or like a week and a half because they were coming all the way from Canada, and these are from BEMI Beauty Box or BEMI Beauty Box. I'm not sure how you're supposed to pronounce it, but we'll just say BEMI Beauty Box. Here is their info right here, website and Instagram. So this is my first time ever ordering anything from them, but I have seen other people with their leaf gels, and their leaf gels look amazing. So I had to order. This is their newest collection. It's the Enchanted collection. And I was super excited when I saw these because I do have some leaf gels, but I do not have any that are like colored. I only have like a gold and a silver and a rose gold. I have one pink one, but that's it. So I was super excited because the Enchanted collection is all colored leaf gels, like purple, teal, blue, pink, like, oh my gosh, I am so excited to see what these look like because I have not opened these at all. I have no idea what they look like besides what I've seen online. Okay, so this collection comes with 7 different colors. First, let's just start with this one. This one is Sapphire. Alright, so this is Sapphire. It's so pretty, and I can already tell it's a lot different than some of the leaf gels that I have, just because of how like liquidy it is. A lot of the other ones that I have, well, all of the other ones I have, I'm just going to show this for example. This is like the Accents Rose Gold leaf, and it's like you can like set it upside down and it's like not gonna go anywhere. But this is obviously a lot runnier than this one. And same with these Vetro ones. These are also super thick, so you can like, they're not gonna run out of the pot. These BEMI Beauty Box ones are definitely a lot runnier, which is interesting. But this is such a gorgeous blue. Oh my gosh. And you know what this will be really good for is these gels, is if you are applying a glitter gel and the glitter gel might not be quite as solid as you want it to be, or might not have as good as of coverage, these will be awesome to put underneath of a corresponding like glitter gel. So like if somebody wants like a midnight blue kind of glitter gel but it doesn't have enough coverage, you could put this on first and then put the glitter gel on top of this, and it'll be like seamless, beautiful glitter coverage. I'm just gonna paint some on a swatch stick here just so I can kind of see the texture and how they look. So that's what it looks like with one coat. That is really pretty. Super sparkly. And definitely, like I said, this would be so pretty by itself, or you could pair it with a glitter gel and put a glitter gel on top and it would just make the whole look. So next we will look at Orchid. And this is what Orchid looks like. It's a gorgeous, like soft purple, kinda lilac-y purple. This one is so pretty. I just want to compare. I did grab the one pink leaf gel that I have just to kind of show you guys, and we can compare between the pinks that come in this Enchanted collection. So this is the one pink leaf gel that I have. It's the Vetro in Lollipop. So that's what this looks like compared to that. So it's definitely more purple. Next we have Magenta. Alright, so here's Magenta. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this one. It's really rich in color. That one is so gorgeous. Let me just compare it to our last one, which is Orchid. So there's the differences between Orchid and Magenta. That one is really pretty. I can already I already know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these two, especially from my clients who like unicorn or mermaid nails and stuff. These ones are going to be so popular. Okay, and the next one is raspberry. And here's what raspberry looks like. So it's a really pretty pink. It's almost on the red side of pink, but it's definitely not red, but it's got that kind of rich pink red tone to it that I really like. This one is really pretty. I love this one. This one I definitely also will get a lot of use out of. Pinks and purples are definitely a lot more popular than like greens and blues, for my clients at least. Okay, so we have Orchid, we have Magenta, and we have Raspberry. So definitely the Raspberry is making the Magenta look way more purple. Like now these look pretty close in family, and this one looks totally different. Next is the Amethyst. Alright, here's what Amethyst looks like. It's a really deep purple. This one is beautiful. If you didn't already know, purple is my favorite color, so I'm always partial to any purples in any collection. I would definitely wear this one. This one's so pretty. It's a lot darker purple than the last purple, which is Orchid. And see, and now when you compare them, this one now looks like it's more in the pink family. This one's like a pink purple, and this one's definitely purple. And there's Magenta. So now we have Orchid, Magenta, and Amethyst. And next is Candy. I think, I'm gonna guess Candy is a pink. Alright you guys, here's Candy. The name definitely fits the color. This is like a candy pink. This is so pretty. I'm gonna compare it to the Vetro pink that I have, which is Lollipop, just so we can see the different shades. Lollipop is much lighter, and Candy is a lot of a more bright, almost hot pink. I definitely know my clients are going to love this one. This is definitely a good staple kind of color to have. Lastly, we have Aqua. Alright, here's Aqua. It's a really pretty kind of light aqua blue. This one's so pretty. This will be good for like mermaid nails and stuff like that. This is a good one too. Alright, so here's all of the colors next to each other. We have the blue is Sapphire, Aqua, Orchid, Amethyst, Magenta, Candy, and Raspberry. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is a collection that you guys would get a lot of use out of, or that you think you would order, or do you think you would order just like one or two of these colors? Let me know in the comments. I know personally I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of kind of these pinks and purples right here. I definitely have people who pick blue and aqua, but not as much as like the pinks and purples and reds family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I've definitely got some more videos planned for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!